So I've been talking about African Folktale channel for a while now, but what I haven't shared with you yet is the secret to how you can start making all this money from your African Folktale channel even before you get monetized. And that is why I'm making this video, to share with you 5 ways you can make money from your African Folktale channel before you get monetized, and that is excluding YouTube money. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So number 1 on my list is blogging. So all you have to do is, when you generate your story for your African Folktale channel, all you have to do is to put it in a blog. A lot of people love reading those blog articles about African stories and all of that. So all you have to do is to just put it up in a blog and you're good to go. And setting up your blog is super easy. You're going to be needing your domain name and you're going to be needing your hosting, and I will recommend that you use Cloudways. Cloudways is the best hosting platform when it comes to e-commerce and blogging, because it's online 24/7. You don't get to miss anything, and then traffic, it's not metered. And they have Cloudways Autonomous, which will help keep your website live if you're getting a lot of traffic. That is when you start getting a lot of traffic from different parts of the world. You want a hosting platform that will be able to withstand the traffic. And that is where this Cloudways Autonomous comes in. I've done a detailed tutorial on how you can set up your blog from scratch, buy the hosting, buy the domain name, and everything that you need to do. I'm going to leave the link in the description, or you can click here to watch it, of course, after watching this video. And that brings me to number 2, which is affiliate product. Now, you're going to be using your African Folktale channel to sell affiliate products. And it's easy to do. All you have to do is to put the link, the affiliate link, in your description, and then people are going to click on it and make a purchase. And doing this is very easy. You can pin it in the comment section, and you can also mention it in your video. While creating the story, try and find a way to infuse the affiliate stuff and then direct people to click the link in the description or the pinned comment to be able to access it. And if you're wondering where you can get affiliate links that you're going to be promoting on your African Folktale channel, that is super easy. All you have to do is to come over to ClickBank and select any of the products in their wide range of products, and then put it on your channel, and you're going to be making lots of money. In case you're in a country where ClickBank is not available, like Nigeria, I've done a detailed tutorial on how you can sign up with ClickBank, even as a Nigerian, or any other country that ClickBank is not available. I'm going to leave it in the description, or again, you can go ahead and click here to watch it, of course, after watching this video, which brings me to number 3, and that is selling your own products. Now, you can sell any kind of digital product. I would advise digital products, or you can even sell physical product like t-shirts, mugs, and all of that. Now, all you have to do is to use Printify and do your design, and then you're going to put it out there that you're selling your t-shirts or your mugs or anything like that. All you have to do is to create the brand from the beginning. You're going to create the brand of your Folktale channel from the beginning. Let the name be something that people can resonate with. Just the same way I say, please come closer and let's dive in. Everybody, almost everybody, is used to please come closer and let's dive in. That please come closer and let's dive in actually makes them remember me. So if I want to make a t-shirt that I want to sell, something like that, all I have to do is to just use that as my t-shirt design, and then a lot of people are going to buy it. So still the same branding strategy, to find a unique way to communicate your brand to people, and something that will remain in their hearts. Even when they watch thousands or hundreds of other channels, they will always remember yours. So that way, when you launch your t-shirt or mug or anything, you can always get people to patronize you. This is one way you can make money from your channel. All you have to do is to just do the design. I have a couple of tutorials on this. I'm going to be leaving it in the description so that you can learn how you can start print on demand on your channel. But if you don't want to do print on demand, you can do digital product like ebook on how to do a particular thing, and then promote it on your channel, put it on your community post, and then put it in your description, and then people are going to buy it, and you're going to make money from the comfort of your home. Which brings me to number 4, which is brand deals. This is one of the biggest ways that YouTubers make money. I can't begin to tell you how much money I make from brand deals. Sometimes I make more money from brand deals than how much YouTube pays me for this channel every single month. And all you have to do is to do a dedicated video for the brand, and you're good to go. So in this case of African Folktale channel, all you have to do is to center the story around the brand product, and then you're good to go. You just put the link in the description and you're good to go. And most of the times, this brand gives you an affiliate link that you can put in your description. And once your audience buys through that particular link, you're going to get lots of commission. And that is another revenue away from the money that the brand paid you. And that brings me to the next one, which is Amazon KDP. Now, this one is super easy. All you have to do is to use the story and the pictures that you generated to create a storybook that you're going to upload on Amazon KDP, and you're going to be making lots of money, because a lot of people buy storybooks, and you can even convert it to coloring books. You can even convert the images to coloring books. All you have to do is to convert the picture to a coloring book format, and you're good to go. Trust me, This is an amazing way for you to make money from the comfort of your home. Remember, you're not generating all these things from the scratch. You're only going to be using what you have existing. Like the blogging, you're going to use the existing story that you have and convert it to an article. And then you're also going to get affiliate links that you're going to put in your videos. And also you're going to create your own products. Create your own products. It could be t-shirt, it could be anything. And then you're going to get brand deals. You can reach out to brands yourself, but trust me, brands will look for you as long as you have trending videos. But because you don't have a trending video yet, because it's a new channel, all you have to do is to reach out to brands and tell them that I can create a story around your brand product. But the only thing here is that the offer they're going to make you is not going to be as big as that of another channel that is quite big, right? But you're going to be making something on the side. And then of course you use your story and your pictures to create an Amazon KDP storybook, and you're good to go. So all these things is you recycling the same thing that you have existing. So instead of just creating the story and creating the images and uploading it on YouTube and waiting for whenever you get monetized to start making money, you can recycle the same story, the same pictures, and then use it to make money for yourself. And talking about making money, this is the next video that YouTube recommends that you watch on this channel so that you can learn more ways you can make money from the comfort of your home. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.